What's today? A Wednesday, and your girl can barely function, okay? It's hot. I'm hot, so I need all this air blowing on me, y'all. My tooth. I have to go get an extraction. That's where we're headed right now. We are headed to go do an emergency extraction. I called like 7 dentist office, right? My favorite one that I've been at, y'all. Customer service was so rude. So rude. I'm in so much pain. I am in so much pain. Look, I can barely drive, y'all. I got a headache. My eyes is closing. Oh, I feel like crying. I want somebody to come take care of me. Where's my husband? I got one. Oh, God. The headaches. I'm about to get in here. I'm gonna pass out on this lady's phone. How far am I? Okay, I got 5 minutes. 5-minute drive. I can do this slow. I don't want no bad news when I get here. Don't tell me no bad news. Can't function. I can't even close my mouth, y'all. Like, that's how bad it is. I can't even close my mouth. Like, when I tell you everything hurts, everything hurts. Oh, y'all. Boy, do I have to update you guys on a lot of things. But right now, we are at another dental office so that I can get this extraction. They get ready to take this tooth today, right now.
Go, 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 baby, go, baby, 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 go, 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 go.
Look who survived, and my face went down, you guys. No more swelling. The numbing is down. How amazing is that? And not to mention, me and these kids, we are taking a walk, which this park is really, really nice. But like I was telling y'all, the swelling went down. My mouth feels a lot better. Hey guys, it's been a little minute since we have talked, but we are getting ready to head to the grocery store. I want to make Southwest chicken egg rolls tonight with that little avocado sauce. So we are getting ready to head to Publix so that we can grab the materials for that.
Cause girls is players too, yeah. Cause girls is players too.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. La 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 la. Want it up.
The way you move, skin on the skin, no separation, need no conversation, nah, 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 nah. On everything, it's automatic, going 0 to 100, nah, nah. Riding, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you long. Right before I decide to go home, act like you hurt me. Only serve it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and push it, push it, push the side. Push it, push it. Push it, push it. Only serve it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and push it, push it, push the side. Push it, push it. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Pushing on lines with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Don't give me life when I'm changing. Don't keep signs out to the floor on a high. When it hurts so bad, baby, put it on me. I like it just like that, just like that. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Pillow talking got my throat raspy. If you keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, gonna get attached. Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts so bad. Baby, put it on me like it just like that. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. I like it just. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty.
Hey guys, happy Tuesday. It's been a minute since I picked up the camera, okay? And the kids have a deep craving for a crumble cookie. I've never bought a crumble cookie in my life. So I've decided to just kind of get in the car and take the kids to go get the crumble cookie that they're craving. Because I've had those nights where I've been craving something and I wanted it, and it's a nice little fall night and it's been rainy outside and misty and I kind of just want to take a drive anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go and grab crumble cookies and then we're gonna come home.
Crumble cookie, nice crumble cookie. It's into mine.
Get your seatbelts on.
Okay.
Not you trying to get to the cookies already. Which one did you get? Because one chocolate chip cookies for me. Okay. What's up, you guys? It's been a little minute since I talked to you guys. The last time that we talked, the kids and I did a late night run to a crumble cookie, and those kids went crazy over the cookie, okay? They literally stayed up most of the ride, and then once we got there, I did find that they were asleep, and I woke them up, and they got up without a problem. And they got to experience getting their crumble cookie and stuff like that. So that was really, really nice. I enjoyed that and they enjoyed that too, okay? But we haven't spoken since then, you guys. Now, today, I'm having Crave. Since I was over by Crave the other day, I decided that I wanted to try to compare the two, which cookie was better, and honestly, they all taste the same. Crumble, Crave, Insomnia, they all taste the absolute same. They all got the same Krabby Patty formula. The only one that does not taste like the rest of these would be the little cookie spot that be in the food court at the mall. Them the only ones that don't taste like the rest of these, but other than that, they all kind of taste the same. If you act like that, you won't get none.
Blast. So look at my birthday. No, it's it. It's blast. With that back. It's blast. That's blast. Glass.
can't take these kids nowhere. Trying to get things to be all aesthetically and all of that for you guys.
Now I just got my hands on me.
Anyways, trying to get things to look all aesthetic and whatnot. These kids just ruining it. Anyways, we're in the library. They found the books that they came in here looking for. And yeah, I feel like I want to look for me a book because I need me a good hard copy of book to read for the night, for the evening. But I actually want to look on the computer first to see if they have the book that I'm looking for before. Yeah, I can read it, but before I go searching for a book because I need to know where to find the book. So yeah, let me go ahead and sit down for a second. Saturday. We are headed into a birthday party at this place called Pickadoo. The kids are currently outside of the car at the moment waiting on me. All right, come on, guys.
I'm making my mind, Daddy.
Let's go.
You know my car? Yeah.
Hey, Century. I don't really need a reason to star you. That's all you. Don't pretend I got a reason to call you. It's not true. I only got a couple people to talk to, and it's not you. Yeah. And I don't even got the patience to argue. So are you out of your mind? I got a lot of reasons to fight. I got a lot of reasons to drive over you, but I put my pride to the side. I put my never stop. Had to take a turn and turn it into something that's new. Saying miss me wasn't missing is talking to you. Wait and see, cause it's something new and improved. Yeah, keep checking these chickens. Yeah, and I go speed racing for the record. Yeah, and I achieve greatness, getting better by the second. Yeah, and I go speed racing. We ain't finished just yet. Don't stress, baby. I keep creeping. A speed demon. She keep dreaming.
All right, first birthday party down. Second one to go to. Let's go to this birthday party.
Zaya, hopefully you watch this video because we coming.
Yeah, we coming. We on our way. We on our way in right now.
Yeah, we on our way, gaming boy.
Gaming boy. All right, let's go because we're already a little late. And I know he's expecting us, so let's go ahead and get in here.
A speed demon. Fast forward until we find it. The press stop and then we rewind it. In case you ever need a reminder.
Hey guys, look at us. We survived the weekend, okay? 2 birthday parties in one day. Look at us. Who do we think we are, okay? But I am so happy to, still be standing. I don't know how moms do it, as far as having a bunch of birthday parties and things that they have to get done for kids. I'm just now getting into it, so yeah, life was busy over the weekend, but it was nice, okay? I feel like the amount of birthday parties that we go to every year, though, ought to be a tax write-off for sure. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, you guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel, for hanging out with me this vlog. It has been amazing being on FaceTime with you guys. If you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. I am going to, become more consistent in posting makeup tutorials and also vlogs, you guys. So yeah, more to come. Make sure you guys are, in tune. Is that the word that I'm looking for? I don't know. But anyways, I have been on long enough. Let me go ahead and call y'all later, okay? Because actually, after I end this call, we're going to start back up with the new weekly vlog because we're on our way out the door. But anyways, that's enough. That's enough yapping. I will see you guys in the next vlog. But until next time, may peace and love be multiplied. Peace.
Bad like that, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.